This is a video to show how to create MP3 files using QuickTime and Apple so that you can insert these into Google Slides. First thing that you need to do is go to your QuickTime and open that up. And you will hit File, New Audio Recording. When you are ready, press the red dot to record. Increase mastery-oriented feedback. It's really important to teach students how to give each other important feedback. This will not go well at first, and you will have to teach over and over, and maybe even provide sentence frames to allow students to provide quality feedback to each other. Once you have your recording, then you're going to file and save. I've saved it on my desktop. Now I'm going to Apple, to iTunes, and I'm going to import. So I go to File, Import. Okay, I'm going to click on Feedback, and then under File, I'm going to set it to Convert, Create MP3 Version. And you see that's the second one. Now I have to go to my drive and import the file. And I am importing it from my music media and feedback. You can see it's an MP3. Open to my slide, insert. And I want to insert audio. Here's my feedback. It always appears at the bottom, and I'm going to click that. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and then arrow up. And I will adjust the size. Move it over just a little bit, and that's where I want it to be. Now, last thing, while you may not see that in iTunes, you may not see the ability to convert to MP3. So you're going to go up to where it says Music and Preferences and go to Files, Import Setting, and Import Using, and I changed that to MP3 Encoder, and then I hit OK, OK. And then when you right-click on, or when you click on it, then you go to File, Convert, and it'll show your MP3 option. Hopefully this video helps you,